Crash. To walk or run, simply move the left stick. To jump, press the A button. Press the A button again while in the air to perform a double jump. Crash. Press the X button to smash stuff and collect magical mojo. The more you collect, the more powerful you become. Come on, Crash. Jump with the A button. Then press the A button again while in the air to do an air jump. Crash. Press the A button when landing on a mushroom to go really, really high. You've collected a mojo multiplier, Crash. For a brief time, you get bonus mojo whenever you collect some. Crash. While in the air, repeatedly press the X button to spin and slow your fall. Good job, Crash. You destroyed one of the bad guys' surveillance robots. Destroying all of them earns you greater rewards. Crash. Hold the right trigger to use me to block enemy attacks. That's my face, bro, so go easy on me. Crash. Press the Y button or hold the Y button to charge the attack for extra wallop.